Do you want to migrate your IMAP account emails to Office 365 directly? If yes, download the reliable and professional software Email Backup Wizard. Using the software, you can migrate all IMAP account mailboxes to Office 365 without any trouble. The software interface is quite impressive and straightforward. Users have to select IMAP Server as the email source for the process. Now, enter the credentials of your IMAP account such as email address, password. Then, enter the host name of your IMAP account. Then, enter the port number of your IMAP account. Hit the login button to commence the process. Now, you can see your IMAP email account is running in Software panel. All the mailboxes such as Inbox, Draft, Sent, Archives and more from your account listed in Software. User need to select desired mailbox to migrate IMAP to Office 365 account. Now, go to the saving options and select Office 365 in the list. Select Save Messages in the default folder option to move IMAP email into Office 365 default folders such as Inbox to Inbox, Draft to Draft, and more. If you are an Office 365 admin, please check the I am admin and fill the required credentials. You can also check the change language to read emails in an international language such as Spanish, German, French, Dutch, and more when switching from IMAP to Office 365. Now, enter the credentials of Office 365 accounts such as email address and password. User can check the Export to Primary Mailbox option to get output in a specified folder. Moreover, if you select Export to In-Place Archive folder, then the output gets saved into the archive mailbox. Next, go to Filter option to use advanced feature of software. Firstly, mark the checkbox of Use Selective Export Settings for email folders in case. Select the checkbox for Selective Export Setting for Email Folder Backup. You want to move only Sent folder from IMAP to Office 365, select the checkbox. Want to exclude attachments and email body when switching emails from IMAP to Office 365? Please check the respective options as per the requirements. Now, come back to Saving option. Now, hit the Backup button. The software is running live conversion for migrating IMAP emails to Office 365 account. You can analyze the process completely. Now, the process to migrate IMAP to Office 365 completed successfully. The free trial edition of the software allows migration first 25 emails from IMAP each folder to Office 365. Click on the OK tab. User can check a complete log text about the IMAP to Office 365 migration process. Go to Office 365. You get a folder of present date. Click on it. You can see the folder hierarchy structure. Click on the desired folder and you can see folder containing all the IMAP emails.